Okay, today we're going to do a demonstration of an installation of a water management kit for Eurowall for fully embedded multi-slide frames. Every kit is going to come with instructions. It's a step-by-step manual that shows you the steps of installing. There are three things that are going to come in the kit. You're going to have a piece of hose. We have a nipple which has a barbed end for the hose and then a threaded end for the nut, and the nut also comes in the kit. The only tools you're going to need is channel locks or a wrench, also a silicone gun and some silicone. The first step is you're going to take the brass nipple and you're going to take on the threaded side, you're just going to thread the nut on. You can do a lot of it by hand to a certain depth, but then when it gets tough you want to tighten it nice and snug with, like I said, either a wrench or possibly channel locks. Just make sure it's nice and snug. It's only going to go so far. The next step is to take the brass nipple and you're going to install it actually into the bottom of the frame. Every frame hole that gets the water management kit is going to be marked in yellow on the bottom of the frame of the sill. So it's easy to see, you won't miss where it goes, so it's being installed in the proper location. You want to take silicone, because that's going to give you the seal to avoid any leakage. You just want to take a little bit of silicone and go around the rim. You do not want to put too much because you do not want to block that hole, which is where the water is going to flow out. So you want to be careful that you're definitely not blocking that hole, because you'll have backup, you'll have flooding, and the drainage will not function appropriately. Next step, you're just going to thread it in. Get that as tight as you can get it. If there needs to be any more tightening, which may be necessary, may not, you can use the channel locks, and there's space where you can get the tool in to tighten it further. The last step is going to be to take the piece of hose that comes with the kit, and you're just going to push it onto that barbed end of the nipple. You want to make sure it goes all the way on there. You just kind of press it on there, and then that's not coming off. And there it's installed.